Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on ASUS ROG Ally. To record screen, click on two buttons at once, either of the macro buttons, either the M1 or M2 at the back, and Y. So that's how you start recording. You can see that it has now started recording. I can do different things, then click here to pause, and then after a while it will display in my screenshots and screen recording library, which is here, and I can open the video and play it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.